What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be throwing a clutch into this fucker. So in these boxes is a Flyin Miata Stage 1 clutch and pressure plate. And that has to go in here so I can get the turbo in without slipping my clutch everywhere I go. So I am at Miata Dad's house. Example number 1. Example number 2 and 3. So let's jump right into this and start getting everything down there apart. So the drive shaft is out of the car right now, and if we go ahead and just pull the trans right now, all the fluid's gonna come pouring at the back of the transmission. So life hack is to take a condom and wrap it around the back end of the transmission so all your fluid doesn't come flying out. This is a bigger pain in the dick than I thought it was gonna be. I've gotten about half of the transmission bolts out. I don't exactly know how to film this since the bottom of the car is kind of just clusterfuck right now. That little space right here is for me. Don't got a lot of space here. So I guess I'm gonna just keep going at it. So the transmission finally came out. That took way too long. It's a lot of bolts. So now I'm kind of just gonna clean this thing real quick. Here's the beautiful old clutch assembly right here. Yeah, so this has to come apart, but that shouldn't be too hard. Beautiful new clutch. that and threw in the new throwout bearing right there, and I started the new rear output shaft seal. And once that's done, the transmission gets to go back in the car. It is currently 8:30. When did I get here? Did I get here at like 12:30 to 1-ish? Something like that. Yeah. Yeah. The transmission is back in the car, on the car, I guess. It's not completely bolted up yet because Tag here's still trying to figure out the other random bullshit that was bolted to the transmission. But once that is done, the transmission can get bolted back to the engine completely, and then we throw the drive shaft back in, bolt up the brace, and then it's basically done from here. Okay, so this is my old drive shaft that this is probably like my third drive shaft, honestly, but these things are old. You know, I haven't bought one of these brand new, but these have a habit of failing at the U-joints, and these stock ones are not rebuildable. You can't rebuild the U-joint if it goes bad. So every time I've had a broken U-joint, I've just replaced the whole shaft. But this time I decided to spend the money. This is a Flyin Miata drive shaft, and these U-joints are actually rebuildable. So if I break this one, it'll be fine. It's finally done. It's midnight. That took almost 12 hours. That took us almost 12 hours. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that clutch job?
Easy.
If you say so. I'm gonna clean everything up and then we're going for a test drive. I'm about to go drive this home. It is like almost 1 a.m. I'm not doing more shit today. That's not happening. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead, scroll down, hit the subscribe button. Keep up with this turbo build because I promise when this car is done, it's going to be sick. Leave a like if you like the video and leave a comment letting me know what else you want to see me do with this car because I have a lot of plans, but a lot of not plans. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. I'm really bad at this part, the end of the video. I'm terrible at the end. Because I never remember, like, the whole fucking list of things I have to say. And then it's all got to be delivered properly, you know?